All right. So let's talk about today. Today is September 9th, Monday. Let's go talk about the overall market today first. So today, when I woke up, I saw that the market was gapping up to this mid-range area. So I was expecting for it to bounce due to the high gap up and such a big red day the day before. Um, So I was expecting it to gap up, but in reality, it could have really gone anywhere. It's in this mid range. There's not really any structure around here, in my opinion. Other than this moving average, but other than that, like it just could be trading in this range for a while or for the day, who knows. Um, so initially, when I saw the gap up in the morning, I thought, okay, well, this could bounce on the day, and we'll see. It'll be like a good long day. Um, so that was my idea coming into it, and then but if I saw a weakness, then I was gonna go short. So it was just up to the way the market was gonna react. Right now, this market is not like I've been saying this for a while already, but it's really a whipsaw market, I guess. It's really hard to trade in. It's really hard to keep a position in because if you look right here on the 15-minute chart, it was long in the morning and then it went down past the lows of the day, and then went whipped up to the highs of the day again. So it's just been like very hard trade if you're holding it for a longer term, like days or weeks. So my idea has been just to get in and out of the trades. Um, Not to really hold on to anything for too long. So today I was looking at NVDL, Tesla, and CAVA. And CAVA I'll go first because that was one of the better ones today. CAVA, I was gonna treat it like a breakout because that's what it did. So I eventually bought it in the morning. Bought it a little late, I think. Um, Let me just show you the trade. So yeah, so anyways, Kava really strong, holding this 10-day moving average, just like surfing it, and then opened up above it. And if you also look at the overall market to the SPY, or if you look at um, the Nasdaq, you can see how everything else has been falling down, going down, and Kava has been holding up very, very well. So today I was going to treat this one like a breakout, which I eventually did in the morning, but then I really noticed the overall market. I was like, well, can this really hold? And I don't really want to risk it, I guess. So, but yeah, let's go with the first trade on Kava. Here it is. So here it is in the morning. This is on the 2 minute chart, but as you can see here, this was the first 2 minute chart, and I could have bought in it earlier in this day once it broke out this 2 minute chart. Because if I waited for the 5 minute, it would have been like up here. I would have bought it up here, and then I would have risked like $3. So I mean, it wasn't a bad buy, but I think I definitely could have bought it early if I was paying attention to it. Mind you, I was in a couple other trades as well, so I'm learning how to get my attention and how to like really manage these positions and manage these trades all at the same time. But here it goes. So I bought it at around 118. Let's see. I don't even know. Let me check. Let's just draw. Yeah, like 118.5, 118.6. Could have bought it down here for like 117, 8 or 118 right when it was breaking out. But so it went straight up to like 120, and then I sold some at 120. But recently these past couple days of this market action has been where a stock will go straight up and then come right back down past the lower lows, and then this is what I thought was going to happen to Kava, but it eventually didn't happen. Sold a tenth of my position here, and then I sold the rest once it broke under VWAP. If I'm going to be trading a breakout stock, I do not want it to go under VWAP. I would just want it to keep like up, riding, slowly growing higher. So once it broke underneath, I was like, let me just get out of here, especially with this market cycle that we're in right now. But it eventually, went all the way up to 121.6, but it closed at like 120, so not too bad. Was gonna treat it like a breakout in the morning, but with this current market, I've been in this situation before where stock breaks out when the market is downtrending, and it'll fade the next day or it'll just not hold. So I just rather just take some money and run. But that was it. That's all I did for this one, Kava. Next one was the leverage ETF of Tesla. Let's let's see here. Now this one I bought really late. I bought it really late because I was paying attention to CAVA. As you can see, I bought CAVA on this 2 minute candle relative to its chart, and then this one I bought it on this 2 minute candle. Um, but you can see here there was a ton of volume with this. Wait, is that the correct? Yeah. No, I don't even know. But anyways, there was a ton of buying volume in these two candles, and I kind of missed this huge bounce here. So what I would have liked it was for it to buy it around here, this price, probably like around 13.18, maybe 13.2. And this same thing again. I was in this trade for just a bounce because that's what I was looking at into the market open, looking for a bounce, and then got it, and it was kind of struggling around here for a little bit. And I was like, well, let me just sell it. I'm done. I don't want to just deal with this anymore. So sold it. Eventually went all the way up to 13.58, but it came all the way back down. It's just like it's very hard to it's a very hard market right now trading. So like right now it's just get in and get out. That's all I can do. It's the best I can do, the best I can try until the market gets better. But yeah, and then the last one was NVDL. Now this one was later compared to these. The other ones were earlier in the morning. Rather, this NVIDIA one was later. So I saw the market getting a little weaker around this time, and NVIDIA was too. Um, so I saw it come down under VWAP, basically touch lows of the day. I think that was almost to the cent lows of the day. Um, Let me check. Hold on. Cool. Let's see. Let's see. Nope. Okay. So the low of the day on the first candle, the first green candle was 44.31, and then the low of the day on the red candle was 44.31. And then so this candle low of the day was 44.31, low of the candle this candle was 44.31. So it was to the penny, low of the day, which if I'm buying it around this area here or maybe up here, it's kind of scary, but if you had your risk in place, you probably wouldn't have not got stopped out, but then you eventually would have got stopped out. NVIDIA has been trading pretty weak, so I was looking for a short, and this spike up here, I told myself if this can get to the VWAP or just slightly above VWAP, maybe at the 45 area, I'll get it in short. So then I shorted it here, which was a great, fantastic short, but it didn't follow through. I could have been risking the high of the day, which would have been about 80 cents, but I was like, well, let me just keep this really tight and then see if we can have a fader throughout the day. But it never didn't work out. Um, it's all good. It's all fine. But so yeah, that was my main trades of the day. Only three of them. Green day today, so that's good. Managed risk pretty well, especially with this Nvidia one. I really liked my risk. I gave it short risk. I was risking barely anything, but it was just like a let's just see trade. Let's see if it can work out. And obviously it didn't. Um, but that's fine. Maybe tomorrow we get more fading. But let's see what it's gonna look like. See, well, same thing for Nvidia. It was kind of like mid-range. No idea what was gonna happen. Just let it build and then see how it reacts. Um, yeah, that's about it so far. I don't think there's anything else to talk about other than what the stocks are. So only 26. And then I'm assuming a lot of these are like big gap up days or like a couple days of green, no really setups. Um, yeah, it doesn't really seem like anything is setting up in the market. Um, yeah, that's about it. So, all right, I'll see you guys.